Welcome to class 7 mathematics classes. Today we are going to start area of paths, roads and borders from mensuration chapter. Here two figures are drawn. Okay, so the first figure here, inside space or this rectangle represents a garden, and a small path is surrounded to this garden. Okay, so here we have to find the area of the path. So in this kind of problem we will see the length of the garden and the breadth of the garden, then the width of the path. Okay, so if we know length, breadth of the garden and the width of the path, then we can easily find the area of the path. Okay, how? First you will find the area of the garden using length and breadth, L into B. Okay, you will get the area of the garden. Then the width, suppose here x centimeter the width is. Okay, that means here also x, here also x, so the distance between these two is x. These two lines are x centimeter. So from here it is x centimeter increasing. Okay, and from here x centimeter increasing. So together if we take, the increment is 2x, x this side, x this side, this line is increased by 2x. So the length will be here more than whatever, suppose this is y, the length of this garden is y, then the length of this including the path will be 2x plus y, isn't it? Similarly the breadth also increased by x centimeter this side, x centimeter this side, and suppose the breadth is z, then this breadth will be z plus 2x. Okay, so in that manner we will solve it. And here also another kind of figure, okay, where the path is cross. This is a garden, suppose this is also a garden, and the path here is in cross. So this path is parallel to this line and this path is parallel to this line. Okay, suppose this is the length, so this path is parallel to this length, and suppose this is the breadth, then this path is parallel to this breadth. Okay, here also if we know the length and breadth of the rectangle and the width of this path, okay, width of this path, then we can find the area of the path. So we'll see in problems how to solve these kind of problems. Okay, from exercise we'll do now. So here is the question from exercise 23D. Okay, a room is 10 meter long and 6 meter broad. Okay, a room length is this much and breadth is this much. It is surrounded by a veranda. So this room is surrounded by a veranda which is 2 meter wide all around it. So according to this question, okay, figure will be like this. Suppose this is the room, okay, and the length of the room is 10 meter and the breadth of the room is 6 meter. Okay, and veranda which is 2 meter wide means this one, this is 2 meter. Okay, this one is 2 meter, this side also 2 meter, the length, the width is, okay, and here also it is 2 meter, this is also 2 meter, so all around it is 2 meter. Okay, find the cost of flooring the veranda. So we have to find the cost of flooring this veranda, okay, with marble at rupees 236 per meter square. So this is the rate of marbling this floor per meter square. Okay, so first we have to find the area of this veranda, then only we can find the cost of marbling it. Okay, so to find the area of this veranda, what we have to do is first we will find the area of the room. and after that we'll find the area of the room plus veranda, okay, together this veranda. Okay, so like this, let us do it. Solution. So length of the room is 10 meter and breadth of the room is equals to 6 meter. Okay, so we can find the area of the room is equals to length into breadth, that is 10 into 6 meter square, meter into meter square, which is equals to 60 meter square. Okay, now we have to find area of the room including the veranda. So here area of the room including the veranda, what you will do is length is increased by, here you can see this 10 meter, okay, and 2 meter this side, 2 meter this side. So total length of this will be 10 plus 2 plus 2, that is 14, isn't it? So that is length into breadth, and the length here is 10 plus 2 plus 2, isn't it? And breadth is how much? Breadth is 6 plus 2 plus 2, isn't it? 6 plus 2 plus 2. So here 14, this is 14 into 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 into 14, yes or no? Meter square. Here also meter square. So it is 140 meter square. Now if we subtract the area of this, okay, and this, then we will get the area of the veranda, isn't it? I mean, subtract the area of the room from the area including the veranda. Okay, so this one will subtract from this one, okay, to get the area of the veranda. Therefore area of the veranda will be equal to 140 minus 60 meter square. Okay, so here will be how much? Here will be 80 meter square. Now the cost we have to find, okay, cost. Therefore cost of flooring the veranda will be equal to 80 into how much? Per meter square it is given as 236 rupees, 236 rupees, 236 per meter square. So here 80 meter square. Okay, so the cost of flooring the veranda will be the product of these two, that is, if you multiply in the row you will get 1,880. so this is 18,880 rupees, okay, to marble the veranda. Okay, so here is another problem. A hall is 16 meter long, okay, and 12 meter broad. Find the cost of carpeting it at rupees 615 per meter square after leaving a margin of 1 meter all around. So this is, so let us first understand the figure. Okay, this is the carpet, this one is the carpet, okay, and this is the hall, this is the hall. Inside this hall we are carpeting, okay, and we are leaving 1 meter all around. Here is 1 meter, okay, this side also we are leaving 1 meter. here also 1 meter, and here also 1 meter. Okay, and it is given that 16 meter long hall is 16 meter long and 12 meter broad. Okay, that means breadth. So to find the cost of carpeting it, we have to find the area of the carpet, isn't it? So to find the area of the carpet, we should know the length of the carpet and breadth of the carpet. So length of the carpet will be 16 minus, because it is decreasing from this side also 1 meter, and this side also 1 meter, so together 2 meter. 16 minus 2 is the length of the carpet. Okay, so according to question, solution will be length of the carpet, length of the carpet will be equal to 16 minus 2, isn't it, meter, that is 14 meter, and breadth of the carpet will be equal to 12 minus 2, 1 plus 1. Okay, from both the end it is decreasing, so 12 minus 2 meter, that is 10 meter. Now the area of the carpet we can find out. Area of the carpet, length into breadth, length is 14 meter and breadth is 10 meter. Okay, so meter square area will be, this is 140 meter square. Now the cost, therefore the cost of carpeting the hall is equals to how much? 140 into rate is 615 per meter square, so we'll multiply rupees 1615. So when you will multiply, you will get rupees 86100. Okay, that means 86,100 rupees. Okay, next question is 3 number. A sheet of paper measures 35 centimeter by 25 centimeter. 35 centimeter by 25 centimeter means length and breadth. Okay, first one is length and second one is breadth. Okay, so this is the length of the paper and this is the breadth of the paper. A strip of 5 centimeter width is cut from it all around. Okay, a strip of 5 centimeter width is cut. Find the area of the remaining sheet and also the area of the cut out strip. Okay, so this is the paper, suppose this is the paper and this is 35 centimeter length is and breadth is 25 centimeter. Now the strip of 5 centimeter is cut from all around. Okay, this side also 5 centimeter, so all around it is cut, here also 5 centimeter, here also 5 centimeter, so all around it is 5 centimeter strip is cut, and we have to find the area of the remaining sheet, that means this paper, area of this paper we have to find, and also the area of the cut out strip, and we have to find the area of this cut out strip also. So first let us find the area of this paper only. Okay, so area of the paper will be given by the length into breadth. Okay, so here according to question, okay, solution will be what? Area of the paper, sheet of paper, area of a sheet of paper will be equal to length into breadth. So length is given as 35 centimeter and breadth is 25 centimeter. 35 centimeter into 25 centimeter. So when we multiply it, we get 875 centimeter square. So this is the area of the paper given. Now we have to cut a strip of 5 centimeter. So the area of this remaining will be given by, if you subtract from the length 10, that is 5 centimeter from this side, 5 centimeter from this side, so the length will be reduced by 10 centimeter, isn't it? Similarly, the breadth will be reduced by 10 centimeter. 5 centimeter this side, 5 centimeter this side, this length is reduced by 10 centimeter. So the area of the remaining sheet will be given by length into breadth of this sheet, isn't it? So area of the remaining sheet is equals to length into breadth, and here length is what, 35 minus 10, isn't it, into, and breadth is 25 minus 10, isn't it, centimeter square. Okay, so here it is like this, I mean, so length will be 35 minus 10 and breadth will be 25 minus 10 centimeter square. So here 35 minus 10 is your, how much, 25, and 25 minus 10 is 15, isn't it? So centimeter square, the area of the remaining sheet will be how much then? 25 into 15 will be 375 centimeter square. Okay, so this is what the area of the remaining sheet. Now next is the area of the cutout strip, that also we have to find. So if we subtract the area of the remaining sheet from the area of the paper only, then we'll get the area of the remaining cutout strip, isn't it? So therefore area of cutout strip will be equal to the area of this paper minus the area of the remaining paper, remaining sheet. Okay, so here 875 minus 375, so that is equals to 500 centimeter square, isn't it? Okay, okay, let us see question number 4. A path 3 meter wide is running along the inside of the boundary of a rectangular field 116 meter by 76 meter. How much money is needed to gravel the path at rupees 42.50 per meter square? So here a 3 meter wide is running along the inside of the boundary, okay, and the length of the field is given as 116 meter, 116 meter, and the breadth is given as 76 meter. Okay, how much money is needed to gravel? So with these two information we can find the area of the rectangular field. Okay, so the area according to question, solution will be area of a rectangular field. Okay, area of field will be equal to length into breadth. Length is 116 meter and breadth is 76 meter, and the area is meter square. So when you multiply this to 8816 meter square, the area of the field, rectangular field. Now 3 meter wide, this 3 meter wide path is running along inside the rectangular field. Okay, so the length is decreased here by 3 meter, this side also, this side also, this length is decreased by 3 meter from this side and this side. So the length of this rectangle, inside the rectangle, will be 116 minus 6. 3 plus 3 is 6, so 116 minus 6 is 110. So this is 110, this length is 110, and breadth is 70 minus 6, because 3 from this side is, it is decreasing, and 3 from this side, So 76 minus 6 is 70. So breadth is 70. The area of this rectangle is, inside rectangle is 110 into 70. Now area of what we'll write here, area of inside rectangle. Okay, inside, or inside rectangle, rectangular field will be equal to length into breadth. So length here, you can see length is decreased and breadth also decreased. So length is decreased by 116 minus 6, okay, and breadth is decreased by 76 minus 6, okay. So meter square here is 110 into 70 meter square, okay. The area of this is 110 into 70, that is 7700 meter square. Now it is asking us to how much money is needed to gravel the path at rupees this much. So this is the rate of graveling the path. So we can find the cost of graveling the path by multiplying the area of the path, okay. Actually we have not found the area of the path, okay. This step will be wrong at this point. First we have to find the area of the path, okay. So area of the path will be given by the area of the field minus the area of the inside rectangular field, isn't it? So therefore the area of the path will be equal to 8816 minus 7700, okay, meter square. So it is equals to 1116 meter square. Now we can find the cost of graveling. Therefore cost of graveling the path will be equal to how much? The area of the path into the rate of graveling, that is 1116 into the rate is 42.50 rupees, 42.50. So when we multiply we get rupees 47,430, okay. So this is the cost of graveling, and this step just skip here at this point, okay. First we have to find the area of the path, okay. Revise this. Thank you very much.